We have a reservation.
And that's the left. On fifth floor, 509. Toilet. You got all the, you got toothbrush. Nice. Hello. Shower with hot water. See, hot water, you think? Nice room. Emergency plan. Looks nice. Cozy. They got a kettle, to water, coffee, sugar, TV, and they got fridge. Nice little fridge that you need to put it on. They got that one, and then nice, nice. How much is this?
2,300.
And this room is 2,300. Good for two. Ah, with breakfast. Ah, that's good. With breakfast. Hindi ka nice. Nasa 5th floor kami. Ay, maganda yung ano yan, yung bundok. Oh, so hayap. So this is the 5th floor. Malaki siya. Malaking hotel. Five. Ang room namin is 509. Doon sa dulo. Nice. Only authorized. Third floor. Third floor daw ang... So, ito ang... isa lang ang ano... elevator. Ito ang stairs. Punta sa taas, 6th floor. Sky Bridge. Next, ang laki pala itong hotel.
Left, ma'am.
Left.
Left.
Thank you.
Left and right.
Ah, okay. Salamat. So, nasa 3rd floor ako. Andito daw yung ano, yung swimming pool. Nice. Ayan, swimming pool. Ano to? Ay, Sky Bridge. Saan ba ko? Ito yung room na may veranda. So, ito yung Sky Bridge. Ang laki. May veranda sila, oh. Nice. Ayan ang 2nd floor. First room. So, yun ang... Ito ang gym ng hotel. Oh, ang daming may. Nice. Ah, kompleto. Yan. Rowing machine. Ano rowing machine? Tapos di ka seminar. That's the thing. That's the swimming pool. Sierra Hotel. Oh, dyan ang swimming pool. Restaurant. Saan ang breakfast? Dito? Ah, dyan ang breakfast. Kala ko sa front. Ah, saan ang front desk?
Diyan sa baba.
Saan pa po? Saan? Daanan. Ah, wala pang, wala yung ganito lang? Stairs?
Merong elevator dito.
Elevator talaga? Ah, oh, yeah, ito. Sige, salamat. Restaurant din yan.
Dito mo. Doon.
Buffet,
For breakfast.
okay, salamat. Yan pala, mabuti na lang nagtanong ako. Mawawala kami bukas. So, ito papunta sa baba. Ay! Car park na to eh. Yeah. Naalala ko ito yung car park. Yeah. So that's something. Yan yung breakfast nila. Okay? Pababa ng car park. Ito ang car park. Yan. Andun yung motor namin. Asan yung motor? Kapark yung motor namin. Yan yung kitchen nila, oh. Kitchen. Kasi ito palabas. Ayan na. Palabas na. Ang ganda.
Try it first.
This is chicken sandwich. Mark is having Greek salad. This is apple crumble. Apple crumble cake. Breakfast. Oh, yung ganda yan. Oh yeah. And the coffee. Give me some coffee. Thank you. Ayan. Champurado. Ano yan? Ayan. Fried rice. Plain rice. Chicken adobo. My gosh. Ampalaya with, oh nice. Ampalaya with egg. There's beef.